you brought out the best in me. You always saw a light no one else could see. Now I know that you're gone, but I promise I won't forget. So thank you for all the memories, 'cause you never know what it meant to me. 'Cause you were the one who gave me peace when I had none left, held me close at my loneliest. Thanks for the memories, here's to the memories. I wish that I could call you up, just to hear your voice, that would be enough. And we'd laugh like we're back at the start, and pretend when